Welcome. In this quick and simple guide, I'll show you exactly how to unpin a group on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. Whether you pinned a group chat to keep it at the top and now want to clear up your chat list, or you just want to organize things a little better, this video will walk you through the steps in just a minute. First, make sure you're logged into WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by going to the WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're signed in, you'll see all your chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, find the group chat you want to unpin. If you've pinned it before, you'll notice it always stays at the top of your chat list even when new messages come in from other conversations. To unpin it, simply place your cursor over that group in the chat list. Next, right-click on the group name. A small menu will pop up with a few options. From that list, click on Unpin Chat, and that's it. Once you select Unpin Chat, the group will instantly move back into the regular list of chats, sorted by the most recent activity. It will no longer stay fixed at the top, giving your chat list a cleaner and more natural order again. This new update on WhatsApp Web makes it super easy to manage pinned conversations, both for individual chats and group chats. You can pin and unpin as often as you like, which is especially helpful if you need to prioritize certain groups temporarily, like for a project, a team conversation, or an event, and then unpin them once they're no longer needed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to keep your WhatsApp Web updated to access all the latest features and improvements. And that's all for today's step-by-step tutorial on how to unpin a group on WhatsApp Web from your PC.